Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're looking at the new DJI Osmo 360 camera, a device built to capture the world from every angle. DJI has been at the top of the game for drones, gimbals, and action cameras. But this is their bold step into the next generation of immersive video. The Osmo 360 takes everything DJI knows about image quality, stabilization, and design, and packs it into a camera that can shoot in every direction at once. Let's see if it delivers the kind of performance that can make your footage truly stand out. The first thing you notice about the Osmo 360 is its compact design. It's sleek, rounded, and easy to hold, with smooth edges that make it comfortable to carry in one hand. The camera body feels solid and well-built, with materials that suggest it can handle the rigors of outdoor shooting. The matte finish gives it a professional look while resisting fingerprints. It's small enough to slip into a pocket, but still large enough to give you confidence that it's not fragile. On the front and back, you have the dual fisheye lenses that give the Osmo 360 its all-seeing capability. These lenses are protected by tough glass and slightly raised bezels, which should help protect them from scratches if you set the camera down. Around the body, you'll find minimal buttons. DJI has kept the design simple, with most control handled through the touchscreen and the companion app. The touchscreen is bright and responsive, making it easy to change modes, preview your shots, and adjust settings even in daylight. Swiping through menus feels smooth, and the interface is intuitive, even for newcomers. You can access most functions in just a couple of taps, and the menu layout keeps things straightforward. Of course, the real magic here is in the lenses and the image quality. The Osmo 360 captures 8K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second, or 5.7K at 60 frames per second for smoother motion. The detail is incredible. When you play back the footage in a headset or on a screen, it feels like you're really there. Colors are vibrant but natural, and the camera handles different lighting conditions well. In bright sunlight, you get crisp, clear images, and in low light, the noise is surprisingly minimal for a compact 360 camera. Dynamic range is excellent. You can point this camera toward the sun and still get usable detail in both the bright sky and the shaded ground. That makes it ideal for capturing landscapes, city streets, or any environment where lighting changes quickly. DJI's stabilization is another standout feature. Using their Rocksteady 3.0 technology, the Osmo 360 smooths out bumps, shakes, and rotations, making it feel like your camera is floating through the scene. Even if you're running, cycling, or moving through rough terrain, the footage stays steady and comfortable to watch. This is especially important for 360 video, where shaky motion can be disorienting. One of the coolest features is after shooting, you can use the DJI Mimo app to choose your angles, pan around the scene, or create dynamic camera moves in post. This means you can shoot first and decide later exactly where the viewer should look. It's like having a crew of cameras capturing every possible angle, and you get to choose the shots later. Still photos are just as impressive. The Osmo 360 can capture high-resolution 360-degree images with excellent detail and color. These are perfect for virtual tours, real estate, or creative projects. You can also shoot in HDR mode to get more balanced lighting in tricky conditions. The microphone system is another area where DJI has improved. The Osmo 360 has 4 built-in microphones, and it uses smart wind reduction and spatial audio processing to make the sound match the direction of the video. Voices are clear, and background noise is controlled well. For even better audio, you can connect an external microphone using an adapter. Battery life is solid for a 360 camera. You can expect around 90 minutes of recording at high resolution, and even more if you drop to lower settings. The battery is removable, so you can carry spares for longer shoots. Charging is quick over USB-C, and you can power the camera while recording if needed. Connectivity is seamless. The Osmo 360 has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for quick pairing with your phone. The DJI Mimo app is your main control hub, letting you adjust settings, preview shots, and edit footage. You can also livestream directly from the camera to platforms like YouTube or Facebook in 360 mode, which is great for events or interactive content. The editing tools in the app are powerful but easy to use. You can trim clips, adjust colors, add transitions, and export your reframed videos in standard formats for sharing on social media. There's also an AI editor that can automatically create highlight reels from your footage, complete with music and effects. When it comes to durability, the Osmo 360 is built for adventure. It's water-resistant, out of the box, so you can use it in the rain or near water without worry. For underwater shooting, DJI offers a waterproof case that lets you go deeper. The camera is also dust-resistant, making it a good companion for hikes, beaches, or off-road trips. In terms of performance, the Osmo 360 easily competes with the best in the 360 market. The combination of high resolution, excellent stabilization, and user-friendly controls makes it suitable for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're making immersive travel videos, capturing action sports, or experimenting with creative filmmaking, this camera has the tools to get it done. Price-wise, the Osmo 360 sits in the upper mid-range for 360 cameras. It's not the cheapest option, but you're paying for DJI's build quality, image performance, and ecosystem. Compared to other top models, it offers a strong balance of features without being overly complex. Pros include outstanding video quality, smooth stabilization, intuitive controls, versatile reframing options, good audio, and solid build quality. Cons include the fact that editing 8K 360 footage requires a powerful computer, and the battery life, while good, could be longer for all-day shoots without swaps. Final verdict. The DJI Osmo 360 camera is a versatile and powerful tool for anyone who wants to create immersive, high-quality content. It captures every angle with stunning clarity, keeps your footage stable, and gives you endless flexibility in post-production. Whether you're a content creator, a traveler, or just someone who wants to share experiences in a more engaging way, this is a camera that can open up new creative possibilities. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you liked this review, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next look at the latest and greatest in tech. See you in the next one.